and this 4 on this side on the minus equals to minus 4, right? 9x plus 6y equals to minus 4. 3 and 4. Now this is simple to solve. So 4 into 2, it becomes what? 18x plus 12y equals to minus 8. Why did we do 4 into 2? Because 9x and 18x, they can get cancelled. Now this, give this number as 5. So now solve 3 and 5. So 3 minus 5, what do you get? 9 minus 12, 3 minus 5, see this, 9y minus this 12y equals to minus 5 plus 3, that is plus 8, that is plus 3. So it becomes, so we get minus 3y, means 9y minus 12y minus 3y equals to minus 5 plus 8, right? Because minus minus plus, so plus 3. So y equals to minus 1, that is capital Y. Now put this in 3, you get what? 18x plus 9 into minus 1 equals to minus 5. Therefore 18x equals to 4, x equals to 2 by 9. Now we got capital X and capital Y. But what is capital X and what is capital Y? We have seen, we have put it over here. So put the real values now. So now what happens is, this, see this, 1 upon 2x minus y equals to minus 1, this y, real value. So solve this, 2x minus y equals to minus 1, cross this and minus 1, so it becomes minus 1, equation number 6. And for x, it is 1 upon x plus 2y, this x, right, equals to 2 by 9, real value of this capital X, right. Solve this. So x. To watch the videos further, kindly download YogaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.